Right now I am sitting on my bike at Gulistan, and from here I'll try to get a trip. Then I will go to my house. I won't do ride sharing today because of my bike's batteries. Cholan. I got my trip from Gulistan, and now I am going to Motovlog Medical. I am going to Motovlog Medical bus stand. এটা কি অবস্থা? Now I am on the Honey flyover and I am riding my bike here, and right side on my hand you can see a heavy traffic jam. Now I am near the Motovlog Medical and I will drop off my customer at the Motovlog Medical bus stand. I got 100 taka after completing this trip. Who is he? He's seeing me. When the man was getting on the this bus, he was seeing me, what I am doing. And now I won't do ride share yet because I will go to my house. সামনে টান দাও না একটু। একটু পিছনে নিও। These vehicles drivers are totally mad. They don't try to hear anyone's talk. Now I will check how much money I have earned today. My first trip was 170 taka, plus second trip 105 taka, third trip 110 taka, and last trip 100 taka. That means I earned 485 taka minus 170 taka because it is my fuel cost. So I earned 115, sorry, not 100. I earned 315 taka today. It is my net profit. And now I will go to my house. My bike is starting switch is not working again because of the battery's problem. I'm trying to start my bike through the, what is this? Through the kick start. It's really annoying. And now I am going to my house.